All right, maintenance expenses. So we get asked a lot, how much should I budget for maintenance expenses? And the answer is, it really does vary. And the reason it could vary is it depends on what your goal is when you buy the property. If you are buying the property and you are doing a full renovation, meaning that you are going in down to the studs, replacing plumbing, replacing electric, replacing your mechanicals, to that extent, your maintenance expenses will be dramatically reduced. There are investors who go buy a property as is and would rather just pay the daily maintenance and the upkeep every month, in which case you should budget and plan for your maintenance expenses to be considerably greater each month. Our recommendation is that when you're looking to buy a property, really take into account what the scope of work is for that property. Go through, do a thorough analysis, walk through with a plumber, walk through with an electrician, walk through with somebody who can handle most of the mechanicals like your HVAC work, and get a good idea of what it will cost you or what the investment will be to upgrade all of these mechanicals, your electrical, your plumbing, and just get that taken care of before you buy the property. This way you do dramatically reduce your daily work orders that come through.